Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make this 12k Facebook celebration cake. So first we are gonna take a bowl like that and we are gonna add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and which is maida. Now add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and then stir it. Now mix it well. Now keep it aside. Mixing bowl, put 4 egg, that is room temperature but large size. Half cup of sugar, powdered sugar though. Beat it until it has a foamy consistency for 3 to 4 minutes. We should do it in a low speed or it will become very foamy. After it becomes a little foamy, we are gonna take some batter from the side, then we are gonna again mix it so that it becomes perfectly foamy. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of oil. Again beat it for 10 to 15 seconds. Add flour 2 to 3 times. Mix with spatula with folding methods and mix it very lightly. Mix well. Pour the batter in greased mold. Tap it 2 to 3 times. Bake it for preheated pan and 40 to 45 minutes in low flame. 45 minutes, open the lid and check it with the insert toothpick. Clean comes peak. Cake is baked completely. Then take it out from the hot pan, then wait for it to cool down completely. After cooling, demold cake and cut into 3 equal layers. Take a mixing bowl and add whipping cream, 1 cup of whipped cream, and then beat it until it has a stiff peak for 6 to 7 minutes. Always beat on low speed for summer season. Stiff peak comes. It's now stiffed well. Now start cake icing and crumb coat. First take a cake sponge, then add sugar syrup, then add whipped cream frosting, then at last we're gonna add some choco chips, then repeat it again one more time. Now crumb coating it. After crumb coating it, refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours, then it will be perfectly set. After 5 hours, take it out from the refrigerator for cake decoration. I don't have anything to say here. You just have to put cream with palette knife, then then do any cream if you want. Now we're gonna scrape it to make the sides equal. Icing it, refrigerate it for 2 hours again. Now let's take a mixing bowl, add 1/3 cup of milk compound grated, add 1 tablespoon of whipped cream which is chilled. Now let's mix it a little. Then we are gonna take boiling water and melt it with double boiler ways. If you have a microwave, you can microwave it for 30 seconds. After mixing it, it's gonna be melted well. It's gonna be melted very well. Now take it out from the double boiler, then wait until it has a room temperature. Then we are gonna add colors. If it's not room temperature and you're adding color, it's not gonna be very well. It's gonna be like very sticky and all. I did 1 drop of blue color. You can put any colors if you want. Our chocolate ganache is ready. Now we're gonna take the cake out of the refrigerator, and then we're gonna put the chocolate ganache on the cold cake so that it sets very well. Now pour it evenly with a palette knife. Again refrigerate it for 5 or 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we take it out of the fridge and we are gonna make the logo. After putting all the glue, we're gonna do the Facebook logo. It's a simple design. We're first gonna do it with a stick because after that we are gonna do it with cream. If you also have more ideas about other logos, you can do it. We just did Facebook. Now our cake is ready and it's also done. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.